C. Sound off.
Sir, I'm the letter C. I'm a consonant. I make the S sound.
What do you mean you make the S sound? The alphabet already has the letter S. S can make its own sound.
Yes, sir, but C makes the S sound too. Like cedar, cider, celery.
Okay, letter C. I get it.
Yes, sir, but I make another sound too.
Another sound? Like what?
K. C also makes the K sound.
You trying to get smart with me, letter C? The alphabet already has the letter K. K can make its own sound.
Yes, sir, but C makes the K sound too. K, as in cat. K-at, cat. K-ar, car. K-ow, cow.
Are you through now, letter C?
Yes, sir.
You make the S sound, as in cider. You make the K sound, as in cat. Letter C, did anybody ever tell you you're weird?
Yes, sir.
Line up, letter C.